Hey, we got about 40 minutes to go for the Kings Grant Farmers Market. One vendor is on his way. I think just about everybody else is here. Seafood Man, Shaved Ice Guy, cold peppers.
Well, it's good that you're here because we
Mm.
Yes. So, I'm hoping to go back, but just not quite yet.
Yeah. I didn't know. I know I said something on
Donut trucks down there with the other couple food trucks. But it's hot as blazes. 102, 103, 99. Thunderstorm suspected possibly late afternoon, maybe not. You know how the weather is, like the land of Nala. Speaking of the land of Nala, we did go yesterday, but not to the land of Nala. We went back to the bay, and it was as dismal as I ever seen it. Mumbles Man and me. But the Mumbles Man, you know how he is. Max, he said, look at this, look at this. He showed me the biggest gold ring I ever laid my eyes on. All I could do was pick it up. It was so heavy. Beautiful. Tungsten. I'll have some pictures here for you to look at. It was, I mean, it would take your goddamn breath away. As soon as I felt it, I said, well, I know it ain't platinum, but it feels like platinum. That narrows it pretty much down to tungsten. Tungsten carbide. A damn new age metal. Stainless steel, cobalt, titanium. What's the world come to? Well, we got 45 minutes to go. There's a box of donuts going by. The donut guy, I don't know if you can see it or not. They've been in line since they started. I've never seen anything quite like it. And this guy right here, he sells shaved ice. Same with him. He got a line right now. He has had line. Got a nice breeze all afternoon. I got my tent weights on. They've been on. My leaders in Alabama should be home tonight at 11:30. Things will be back to normal.